Welcome back to another adventure. In this video, we will be covering my final 2 days of my week-long vacation, experiencing a gorgeous sunset, and then we will be enjoying the final ride of this adventure. Man, I can't believe this. I can't believe this trip is just about over already. I did put my dog through some hell yesterday. Obviously, he's doing just fine though. Just those trails we were going through were super rocky and it was throwing him around quite a bit. But it was definitely a beautiful trail. Me and the Bucky boy here are gonna go out for a little sunset drive, get some photos and everything. It's just gonna be us tonight, so we're gonna be careful, take it slow, but I'm excited. Let's get it going. For our sunset adventure, we head up Trail 1 once again, all the way up to the peak of Mount Belknap, I believe. On this afternoon ride, we actually see quite a few animals. Made it to the top, and thank God it's not that windy right now. Look at the moon. Look at that. Look at the moon. The Bucky boys. This is freaking gorgeous, dude. Look at that. So I guess this is called Mud Lake, and I kind of want to go for a little adventure up that hill. I'm gonna go up on a little adventure up that hill. Oh, it's sure windy up here though. That's always fun. You know, Bucky, come here. Come here, dude. Let's go walk the trail. You know, I just was coming over here. I was like, you know, I don't necessarily know what's out here. I don't know what can get into Bucky and everything. Maybe I shouldn't go scaling up a random mountain. But there's a trail here. Doesn't matter. It's not like he stays on trail anyways. There's a little deer trail here. At least I think it's a deer trail. It's a pretty traveled trail. Does it just go? Oh, I think it just goes around the lake. Lame. Now I wrap back over here. What do we got over here, boys? Bucky, come here. Stay with me, dude. We got some interesting stuff over here. This is for sure like a little walking trail. A little hiking trail. We're just gonna go on it for just a minute. Just because I found a little hiking trail, I had to go down it for just a minute. I'm gonna miss the good part of the sunset. Just take in what we can, huh? Look at this gorgeous view. Ugh, calm down with the zoom there. All right. Holy shit! Once again, me and Bucky Boy are going out for our little morning walk. Yesterday wasn't too much of a adventure. Me and Bucky just went for a little afternoon ride to take some sunset photos and everything. That was so much fun. That was amazing. Some amazing photos. Today, we are gonna head out about 10 a.m. and head to what's called Puffer Lake. I guess this is gonna be another kind of longer ride. Finally reaching Puffer Lake, I feel I had a little too high of expectations. It is a very small, dried up lake that is also quite popular, but it was still worth the adventure. And after Puffer Lake, we started making our way back to camp. Both me and Bucky were satisfied and content with our trip, quite ready to get home. Well, that wraps up my week-long adventure. I had an amazing time. It's always nice to spend some time with the grandparents, and I am grateful that they are still able to go out and do things like this. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Make sure to check out my Instagram at mankinphoto, and until next time, go outside.